Hey, so today I'm really addressing my freeziness with my locks. I'm over a year and a half into Microloc journey, and freeziness I thought was just an initial thing. I thought it would go away by at least a year, but here I am still having freeziness. It's crazy. I learned that sometimes banding the hair, braiding and then banding the hair before wash could help reduce the frizziness. Actually, I don't know if probably my interlocking method is what's making it worse, or I add too much water. I thought water would help lock it better. If you know methods of helping reduce the frizz, I'd really appreciate it if you could share with me. But what I've come to understand is that if I'm able to band the main hair and I focus on the base of the lock, I may be manipulating the main lock less, which will help reduce the frizzing. So I'm going to try that today. Um, I want to show you so you see what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at these. You see the stray hairs around it. Right, so much that it's giving an illusion of loose natural, which I really don't mind. But I just wish that I wish the frizziness was actually out of the way. For example, look at this. That's a lot of stray hair. That's a lot of frizz. Sometimes I wonder if it's because I have micro locks, because I hear that if you have bigger locks, the chances of frizzing is less. I'm not sure, but that's what I've noticed. I think I'm going to put everything in six parts. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done braiding and banding. I couldn't get 6 parts because this is just too much hair, so I rather made it into 10 in total. I think I'm going to start from the back and then work my way forward. Basically going to just wet the base and I follow through with my homemade shampoo. I can feel some flakes in the base. Then I try to focus on each lock within this block. I'm done washing all my 10 spots. Feels a bit itchy. I'm sure it's because I've lifted the flakes of the scalp, but I need to undo it so I can rinse fully. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now I rinse. So I think I'm going to stick with this method. I feel like um it helped me target the roots more, and because they were in smaller sizes, it was even easier to cover a lot. It's like you take a little part, you work on it, just the next, like that. So I think I'm gonna stick with this now. I gotta go shower and start retightening my hair because a lot has unraveled. It's just a lot. I need to retie. But seriously, if there's a better way of retightening that I need to use to help reduce the freezing, please let me know. Kindly share this video. Maybe somebody who knows how to help may watch this and be able to help me out because it's a lot. Bye.